It is never too late to be what you might have been. It is only in sorrow bad weather masters us. In joy we face the storms and defy it. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. A hero is someone who has given his or her life to something bigger than oneself. Do your little bit of goods where you are. It's those little bits of goods put together that overwhelms the world. To the mind that is still, the whole universe thunders. I have looked into your eyes with my eyes. I have put my heart near your heart. Let us make our future now, and let us make our dreams tomorrow's reality. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. If you accept the expectations of others, especially negative ones, then you never will change the outcome. Even if I knew that tomorrow the world would go to pieces, I would still plant my apple tree. Only those who have learned the power of sincere and selfless contributions experience life's deepest joy, true fulfillment. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. Each day provides its own gifts. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky. You look in you.